We've done two jobs in Warsaw. First was a trenchless installation of water pipe, cast iron pipe. It was 15 meters. This job was really quick. It took like 40 minutes to pull the pipe and about 1.5 hours to do the pilot drilling. The second job was 40 meters of cast iron pipe, same 5 meters section. We had to be very careful to drill straight, because if we have lots of curves we won't be able to pull a straight pipe. And to make a straight drilling we used a navigation system. The drilling jobs were successful. We trained the crews, we made the commissioning and showed what this machine can actually do.